two names. Sean Paul, Elephantman. How are you with these two right now?
Me and them alright, man. Me and them are always alright. Even if them not alright with me, me and them are alright. Me just done burn my fire already and pass and it gone. Because me can't come link enough to do song with me in a music and not shun me. And not keep and shun me. What you feel, say? You know more bigger artists, more me. If you don't feel like you're not bigger than me, you don't get some big award. Take a show with me then. Make a mistake happen and made it on a show 20,000 people upon. Just do it. Just try it. Any one of the two near my car, just try it. Yeah. One of them get the rata me already in a Tobago, so him know me I talk about elephant. Him get the rata FANTAN MOJAH in a Tobago. If my listeners can hear right now, him know the power of me show off. Any one of them, for another Jamaica out for your left, get up in a plane and go anywhere in the world, just tell them to take a show with me. Them not do it. Selfish.
So is it the industry that you have problems with? The artists you have problems with?
No problem.
Explain, please, Fan.
There's no problem with no one. Me and them good. But I'm tell you, say, our next artist, we are going through the same thing when me I go through. Now I go talk. But a FANTAN MOJAH, go and talk. I mean, I have nothing against my friend them. I mean, I have nothing against them. I love them. All me want ever do, just believe in yourself and just know say, yeah, share the platform. Yeah. Just share it. It's easy, you know.
So why do you think it's so hard to share? Because you have to remember, if you're the hottest artist right now, okay, there's only so many places you could be at once, you know. The world is a big world. Why can't 20 of us be hot and taking the place one time?
Yeah.
What difference is that going to make?
Them just don't want to share. They're selfish. Because man feel like, say, as me show you, say, him feel like, say, you are going to come show him up. Yeah. Him not have the performance drive there about him. For lit the fire in the crowd. You saw me, I say, so. I know anyone can lit the fire, you know. If you get the fire they lit, but them people are up, yeah. You have to have the thing there about you. And the charisma there with the people them. And there's something there where we build up from morning, develop. I know say here. Whenever we are going to tune in with the people them, just go with the best. And just go with your mind freely. Yeah.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.